The first step in creating or generating a PowerPoint presentation using AI is to generate an outline. Even if you do not have an idea, you can generate an outline using ChatGPT prompts. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll be using the free version. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and type in a message. So let me type in a message like first, when you write prompt in ChatGPT, you need to give it a context, you need to give it a persona so that it gives you a better outcome or better output. So I'll give it a persona that act like an expert presentation maker and science expert. Why I'm giving these tools? I'm asking ChatGPT to act like an expert presentation maker so that it creates better looking slides or better looking slide outlines for better looking slides in a professional way. And next is that because I'm going to give it a prompt which is based on science, that's why I'm asking it to act like science expert. It may be some other persona as per your requirement, but for me, for this example, I'm using the persona of an expert presentation maker and an expert and a science expert. So these days what is happening is that we are eating vegetables or fruits laden with pesticides. So in market there are pesticide laden fruits and vegetables available. What we can do at home to reduce the effect of these pesticides or to remove the pesticides which are there in the fruits and vegetables, this is a burning topic these days. So I'll be giving it a prompt so that it comes up with a solution to this problem and gives me some slide outlines. So I'll be asking it to create 10 slides for the problem. Let me give it a problem. So I have given it a prompt and I'll put enter so that it creates some slide outlines. So you can use ChatGPT to create slide outlines very easily. So it has given me 10 slides. What I'll do is I'll simply copy everything. I'll go to the next tool. The next tool is called gamma.app. So you can go to this link in the description. I'll be putting the link to these ChatGPT as well as gamma.app, and you can go ahead and click that link. And you can sign up in gamma.app free using your email ID and then continue. You can also sign in using your Google ID. So I'll go ahead and continue to sign in using my Google ID. I am just going to log in using my Google ID and then show you how to do these things. Okay, here I am logged in to my account. So this is my Gamma account. This app gives you free credits. Here I have 275 credits left in my account now. And if you upgrade to the plans, you have this kind of a plan. The free plan, which is more than enough for starters, will give you 400 AI credits at startup. You can generate up to 10 slides, and it gives you basic image models which will generate images for your slides. Okay, and what I can do is I'll go to this tab, create new with AI. Okay, you can do 3 ways. You can paste in text to generate the slides. You can generate the slide using prompts. I am not going to use the prompts here because I have already generated the slide outlines using ChatGPT in my previous step. Now you can also import some file, documents or presentations that you have already created, and import these files over to this system of gamma.app. Now I will simply go to this first option, paste in text, because I have already generated the slide outlines using ChatGPT, and I'll simply paste all the points. Now Once you paste in your text, what you see is you have these three options. You can create presentations, you can create a website as well, and you can create a document. In today's problem, what I am explaining you is to create presentation. So I'll go ahead and select this option, presentation, and then continue. In the next step, what you need to select is that the text content that will be going into the presentation, because I have already only generated the slide outlines using ChatGPT, not the actual text that is going into the slides. It can generate the text, or if you already have generated text or a bigger text, larger text, you can condense those text, or you can preserve. Preserve means whatever text or or outlines you have pasted from your earlier generation, you can preserve it as it is, so that will not be changed and it will carry over to the next step of creation of the slides. Now I will select the first step, generate, because my the slide outlines were not detailed. It is just kind of a guidance for the next app, for this app. So I generated the outlines using that ChatGPT. So I will use the text content to generate, and then amount of text per card. So every slide will have text. So you can have brief, you can have medium, you can have detail. So I'll go ahead with medium and write for. That means your target audience, whom you are presenting these slides to. So you can write for a specific target group of people. Now it has given you a target group, and I'll go ahead without changing these things. Health conscious consumers concerned about pesticide residues, that's well enough for this particular example. And the tone of your presentations, you can have your customized tone. Informative, educational, practical is the tone that is default selected here for this case. I'll go ahead with it. You can change it if you wish, and then it will automatically can fetch images from web by searching, or you can create or generate AI images. So you can select both of these. Image license, so you can select the type of licenses, free to use commercially. So you can be judicious in using these images. So you can use free to use images, which can be used for personal use for free, and you can select free to use commercially, which you can use commercially later on. So I will not select any of these. I'll go ahead with all images to see, because it is only for demonstration purpose. For a safe side, I'll go ahead using the free to use. And format of this, so presentation, website, and document. So I'll go ahead with presentation, and you can put some additional instructions for the slides to be generated. And the length, these are the token length you have. For this particular case, you will consume 807 tokens out of 5000 allowed, and you can select up to 10 cards over here in the free account. I'll go ahead and select 10 cards. If you wish to create more cards, you need to upgrade to their pro plans, and I will go ahead and continue. While creating these 10 cards, it will consume 40 credits from my 275 credits there in my account. Every time you sign up in the beginning, you get 400 credits, and if you invite your friends using your referral link, you get 200 credits extra. And after you consume all your credits, you have to upgrade to their paid plans. So I'll continue with the free credit, 40 credit here. Okay, next step is you need to select one theme of your presentation. So there are different themes over here. You can select any of those themes as you like, or you can generate a new theme. So I'll go ahead selecting from the list. I'll go ahead and select a theme from the list. Let me go ahead with this lavender theme. Okay, and then I can go ahead and click generate to generate the slides. Sorry that I told you in the other earlier in a minute back that you can generate theme over here. No, you can generate the slides after you select your theme. So I'll go ahead and tap on or click generate button. It will take some time and it will generate the slides. So it is easy and it's like magic. It's generating the different slides. Okay, it will take some moments to create or generate the slides. You can select these slides, different slides being generated. Okay, so these slides looks nice. It has found some photos, it has inserted some photos. You see these photos automatically inserted into the relevant places. So you see beautiful looking presentations been already created without any kind of an effort. Now next, you can present this using your presentation this button, or you can share your presentation. You can share this presentation with other gamma.app users, or you can share to the web with a link, or you can export to a PDF or export to a PowerPoint. When you export to a PowerPoint, it will take some time. It will export to the PowerPoint, and you can save it to your, let me save it itself. You can save it to your desktop. Okay, and when you're using the free version, it comes with a Gamma badge. You cannot get rid of that until you pay or until you get the paid version. So you get the watermark kind of thing, this badge that will come. Now let me give you one more tip. Even if you get some kind of a, what do you call, the badge, the gamma.app badge in the presentation that you have downloaded, the PowerPoint presentation that made with Gamma, it's simply a picture, so you can get rid of it very easily. Simply delete that and you can get rid of the made with Gamma badge. So here you see, you can get rid of this made with Gamma badge as well in your downloaded presentation. So this presentation you can further customize in your PowerPoint application, and this is a very good starting point to create presentations if you have some kind of writer's block and if you are stuck with the idea to create or design your PowerPoint. So I think these two tools are very useful. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of contents, and also share this video with your friend. Thank you very much. See you soon.